Rivoti cia gutiga wira kwa Igathe irathinekanirie mucii munene wa Nairobi, Atongoria oro hamwe na aikari makiuria uria guguthie. Ni ta ndigano ya andu eri mieri 5 thutha wao kunyitithanio. Ni ndeto iratigire aingi na ciuria itare na haja. Riri kamiti ya Senate iria irumbuanagia na maundu ma thirikari cia matura irauga ni kwandikira gavana wa Nairobi Mike Sonko marua kumuria ikinye mbere yayo niguo gutariria kiria kiraria kingi.
For the time being, now that the Polycarp Igathe has resigned, one thing I would want to tell you is that as the chair of the Evolution Committee, we are going to write to the governor of Nairobi, inviting him so that at least he can shed more light what transpired in the county. But one thing for sure is that I would want to tell you there will be no crisis because the constitution is very clear that the deputy governor can only be elected by the people in that county through universal suffrage. So in Nairobi, all what I can say is that we'll be like that without the deputy governor unless we change the constitution. Just like there is happening in Nyeri, when the governor Gakuru died, the deputy governor took over, and the deputy governor does not have power whatsoever, or the governor does not have power whatsoever to elect the deputy governor.
Tunajua kuna vipengele vya katiba ambavyo haviko wazi sana. Tunaangalia hiyo sheria ili pia katika kaunti ya Nyeri tuweze kuhakikisha wamepata deputy governor, na pia Nairobi kama tutaweza kuleta watu pamoja vile tunanuia kufanya, tutaweza kusonga mbele.
Kuaga kwa uiguano gatagati ka gavana wa Nairobi na munini wake kuronekana ta undu wonetwo tene ni andu aingi, amwe ao ona makiuga kiu kihiko gitingirathire haraihu mbere yake haraganite. Kuringana na thiriti ya hakuhi, ngucanio gatagati ka Igathe na gavana yambiriirie o thutha wao kuoya wabici. Kuratuika ati Igathe ari na matanya manene ma hinya ma wabici yake na hinya wa gutua matua ma utongoria kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, atakumenya ati watho wa bururi ukoragwo wohete anini ya magavana moko gwakinya ni utongoria wa thirikari cia kaunti. Ngucanio cia eri acio irarugameire hamwe na kugi uheani-ini wa kandarathi cia mawira na motungata ma muingi oro hamwe na wandikani wa mawira thirikari-ini ya kaunti ya Nairobi. Riu maitho mothe marorete kuri kamiti ya Senate ya uthathauri wa mahinya muthe wa gatatu kiumia giukite niguo kuonekane kana kamiti ino ni ikahota kuhonokia uiguano gatagati ka Igathe na Sonko. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Helen Maina.